And now we are going to think about questions. Remember yesterday when we did who, when, what, why, where words, and we came up with questions we had about our topic. Okay, today we're going to look more at sentences that are questions. Now, if it's a question, what do you put at the end of the sentence? We know this. If it's a question, we put a question mark, right? Exclamation mark would be excitement, right? Question mark is a question. Think question, question mark. Whoever's humming this, quiet our voices down. Then put the highlighter away. Okay, so a question mark goes at the end of a sentence if it's asking something. Now what you can do is think when you read something and think, can I answer that? I could answer that. That has to be a question. I need to put a question mark. Okay, so let's look here. Let's read the first one. Who could read the first one to us? Number 1. Nina. That's a hard word. Principal. There's that soft C. Principal. Where is the principal? Can you answer that? Yeah, you can say where she is, right? She's in her office.
Where he or she?
Well, we have a she principal right now. So where is the principal? There's that question mark at the end because you can answer that. The principal is in her office. Okay? But when you answer it, do you put a question mark at the end of that sentence? No, you can say, everyone, she is in the office. I'm telling you, she is in the office, so it just needs a period at the end. Who can read sentence number 3? We got lots of hands up today. Isla.
When you
Well, when will our teacher? When will our teacher come back? So when I was screening the kindergartners for next year, I was out of the room. So you could say, when will our teacher come back? Can you answer that? Yes, you can answer that. So it gets a question mark at the end. Okay? Let's finish this sentence here. He will be here after lunch. Am I telling you something or am I asking you something?
Telling you.
Telling you. So what do we put at the end?
Period.
Period, because I'm just telling you.
In our case.
He will be here after lunch.
It's a she.
I know, but if you had
But
a...
in our case.
Yeah, in our case, it's a she. Okay, here's that question word. Remember when we had those 5 W's yesterday? What can I get for you? Can you answer that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what goes at the end?
Period. Question mark.
What can I get for you? I'm asking a question. So it's a question mark. Now let's look at the last one. Why do you need it? Can you answer that? Why do you need it? Why do you need your pencil? Why do you need your water? Why do you need it? Can you answer that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it gets a question mark. Okay, now put your name on your paper. And we're going to do some work with this. Okay, a question mark is a mark at the end of an asking sentence. We're going to circle the question words and draw a line under the question marks. So up here, you're going to circle the question words. So look at this first sentence here. Who can read this to us? Lots of hands are going up again. Charlotte. Where
do you go to school?
Where do you go to school? Can you answer that? Yeah, so that's a question. It's an asking sentence. Here's that word where. Circle this question word. Where? Remember those 5 W's yesterday? circle that where. When you hear where, you know you're asking a question. And we have to underline the question mark. So the question mark's at the end of the sentence, just put a line under it. Okay? Here's the next one. Eastland. Does. Ooh.
School start.
When does school start? Is that an asking sentence? Yeah. What is the question word? When. Remember the 5 W's. When, what, when, what, why, how. When? Why am I saying that? What, when, where, why, who. What, when, where, why, who. There we go. I got it. Okay, and now let's underline the question mark at the end. We know that's a question mark. Now we have to write the question words and the question marks. So blank is for lunch. What question word can we use at the beginning?
What?
Who said that? What is it?
What?
What? And remember, you have to start with an uppercase W, H, A, T. What is for lunch? It's an asking sentence, so we need to put a question mark on the end there. Hey, PJ, you want to with us, buddy? Please don't do that to your pants. Who can figure out the next one when you finish up? Ooh, Ian's going up everywhere. Aiden. Okay, so it says blank is your teacher. So it's not going to be when is your teacher. What do you think it could be?
What?
Not what is your teacher.
Where?
It could be where is your teacher? Yes, it could be where or it could be who is your teacher. So where or who, they both are question words that work. So we can write, let's go with who since where is already up there. Let's do who. Who is your teacher? W-H-O. Who is your teacher?
It's shorter. It's shorter.
And then a question mark at the end. You can answer where is your teacher or who is your teacher. Okay, let's think of an asking sentence. Anybody have a sentence we can ask? Who will be here? Okay, that has one of our words, one of our 5 W's. Good. Charlotte. When is lunch? You know what? I was actually thinking about that one because I know you asked that question many times throughout the morning and it's almost lunchtime. So let's go ahead and use that one. When is lunch?
I love it. I love it.
Or you can say, what time does lunch start? Or when is lunch? You can say it a couple different ways. When is lunchtime? When? What? And is lunch? When is lunch? You can say when is lunchtime? A little. When is lunchtime? Or when is lunch? And then a question mark at the end. Alright? Pretty soon. We're going to do math and then it'll be lunchtime.